Nestled in the heart of a lush, densely vegetated property, a modest secondary residence began to take shape. Owned by a young couple and their father, the 6-hectare site was teeming with established native tree and plant species. This vibrant ecosystem, a sanctuary for koalas and other significant fauna, meant that development opportunities were severely limited. A small clearing towards the western boundary, the only area not densely forested, offered the sole chance for the new home. This project was more than just a construction endeavor, it was a delicate dance with nature. Inside, the layout was meticulously planned to maximize space and functionality. A linear living area housed a kitchen with an integrated dining island, and a lounge with built-in seating, fireplace, and TV. This space flowed effortlessly onto a deck through large stacking doors, offering breathtaking views of the green expanse beyond. 2 modest bedrooms and a bathroom completed the home, their compact sizes mitigated by expansive windows that framed the treetop vistas. Operable apertures in the bathroom introduced an open-air feel, bringing the outside in. This home, a testament to thoughtful design and environmental stewardship, stood as a harmonious addition to the vibrant ecosystem it now called home. The dense vegetation posed not only logistical challenges, but also serious bushfire threats. The proposed dwelling needed to achieve a BALFZ rating, the highest possible bushfire requirement, adding a layer of complexity and expense. The budget constraints loomed large, demanding careful navigation. Yet, the team was undeterred. They embraced the challenge, ready to tread the fine line between environmental sensitivity and practical feasibility. The design of the home was profoundly influenced by its surroundings. The overarching tree canopy, coupled with the desire to minimize the environmental footprint, dictated the form and placement of the structure. The external skin of the cabin was crafted to withstand the harsh elements while blending seamlessly with the natural landscape. Internally, a simple and honest material palette prevailed. Cool concrete floors provided a robust foundation, offset by the warmth of timber walls and ceilings, creating a harmonious blend of durability and coziness.